Hey guys, what's up? This is JRP Sunsun from JGN Games, and this isn't a tutorial or anything like that. This is just to kind of talk to you guys. I'd like to thank you guys so much for 4,000 subscribers. I'm 3 years into making YouTube videos. I feel like I've gotten a lot better since that original game asset creation series, and I also feel like my community has grown around me. First of all, you guys are actually the best subscribers of all time. You guys are helping out in the comments. You guys are helping me find issues with tutorials. You guys are in the Discord talking to me about what I should do. You guys are the best subscribers in the entire world, and I cannot thank you guys enough for that. Also, this completely snuck up on me because while I haven't been making videos, I haven't been really watching my analytics either. And I just looked the other day, I was like, holy crap, I have 4,000 subscribers. So thanks so much for 4K subscribers, and also thank you for 385,000 views. Pretty small, but so is my channel. So thank you guys so much for that. That's basically all I have to say. I've got a bit of a different video coming on Saturday. Currently what's set as my channel trailer is our story video, and if you haven't seen it yet, it's horrible because I didn't use Facecam and it just sucks. So I'm going to be making a channel trailer. It's going to be coming out Saturday at 10 a.m. and it's going to be featured on the channel for the entire year. And then near 2019, I'm going to change it again. I'm going to try to make a new channel trailer at the beginning of each year. So yeah, that's all I have to say. Thanks for 4,000 subscribers. Thanks for 385,000 views. So thanks so much, guys, for helping me hit both of these milestones. I can't wait for you guys to see this new channel trailer because it's really cool, and I think you guys are going to really like it. And that's coming out Saturday, so be on the lookout for that. Turn on those sub notifications. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. See you guys then. Peace.